Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, let me quickly take the attendance. Monil,
Present, sir.
Amitesh.
Present, sir.
Okay, thank you. Let us start the class with the motivational quote. The quote for the day is push harder than yesterday if you want a different tomorrow. What does it mean? It means that we have to work hard and brighten our future. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do a recap of what we covered yesterday. What was yesterday's topic? Anyone can tell what we discussed yesterday? Anyone? Yesterday we looked about its components. Clear?
Yes, yes.
So, I have a oral quiz for you people. What is the outer layer of the earth? Monil?
Crust.
Thank you, it's correct. Another question is for Amitesh. How many layers are there in the earth?
3.
Yeah, good, very good. Another question is for Monil. How many types of crust are there?
2 types.
Yeah, correct. Can anyone name them?
Oceanic and continental.
The crust. Thank you. Okay. Its components, it has 3 layers. You can write additional note in your book. It has crust, mantle and core. Crust is the thinnest outermost layer of the earth. Then another component is mantle. Mantle is the middle layer and it is in solid form. Then we have core, which is the innermost layer. Clear till here?
Yes.
Okay. Today we will discuss about plate tectonics, which is the new topic. And upon completion of this lesson, you as a student should be able to understand these are the learning outcomes. So it says define the term plate. Another learning outcome, it says explain plate tectonic theory. Then we have differentiate 3 types of plate boundary, which we will cover later in this class. Then we have to construct diagrams of plate margins. Any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you. Hope this is a interesting topic for you people.
Yes.
You will enjoy learning. Okay, I have a small activity for you. One icebreaker is there for you people waiting. What is one thing that you want to learn from this topic? Amitesh, what do you want to learn from this topic? You can answer from here by looking at these 4 learning outcomes.
Types of plate boundary.
Thank you, Randir. Yeah, we can learn about types of plate boundary, which is very important aspect of plate tectonics. Okay, thank you. Another activity is there for you. When you hear plate tectonics, what comes in your mind?
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Yeah, earthquake. Amitesh?
Crust.
Crust. Any other plate boundaries? Plate boundary and
Moving body.
moving continent. So this one we have covered yesterday, which is crust here. Earthquake is a natural disaster. It is associated when the plates move apart or towards each other. Plate boundary is also known as plate margins. We will discover this aspect in our discussion later on. Then moving continents, it is similar to plate boundary. Any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you. I have some more explanations for you people. This is the notes, and this is the printed notes which you have to paste it in your book. You can refer to your book, and it says plate tectonics refers to the plate movements, and there are theories which explain about the plate movement. There was one major theory which was established by Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener discussed about the continental drift theory. This is the important term which you can highlight. It may come in your exam. This theory discusses that the Earth was once joined as a supercontinent named Pangaea. You can highlight this term also. Then this supercontinent later got split into two parts. That was Laurasia and Gondwaland. This discussion will be based on plate boundaries, which includes constructive margin. You can write it down. Constructive margin, destructive margin, and the conservative margin. These three terms are important for you to learn. Written?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Students, I have a short quiz for you to attempt. This will give more idea about this today's topic. These are the cheats, you have to pick it. What is the question?
Number 3.
Question 3. Question 3 says, what is the correct order of Earth's component? A is crust, mantle, core. Option for B is core, mantle, crust. Option for C is mantle, crust and core. Option for D is mantle, core and crust. Which one do you think is the correct answer?
A.
Yeah, I is the correct answer. Very good.
Question 4.
Question 4. Question 4 says a single continent that existed 250 million years ago. Option for A is crust, B is Pangaea, C is Laurasia and D is mantle. Which one do you think is the correct answer?
Can you repeat the choices, please?
Option A is crust, option B is Pangaea, option C is Laurasia and option D is mantle.
Matter.
Mantle.
Option D.
Wrong. Try. Good attempt, but the correct answer is Amitesh. Can you guess the correct answer?
B.
The correct answer is B, Pangaea. 2 more cheats are left. Who wants to pick it first? Hands up.
Answer. Question 1.
Question 1. It says, name the part of the continent that moved towards north in the continental drift theory.
Laurasia.
Yeah, good. The answer is Laurasia. And the last sheet is left with this, which is for Amitesh.
Number 2.
Question number 2, it says, name the theorist who discussed about continental drift theory. Option A is Alfred Wegener. Option B is Albert Bandura. Option C is Vygotsky, and option D is John Losicki. Which one do you think is the correct answer?
Option A.
Option A, it's Alfred Wegener. Good, thank you. Okay, as I mentioned, the person who will answer most of the question and get it correct, I will reward him with a pen. So it goes to, I think Amiteshwar answered 3 questions correctly. So he wins the pen. You can clap.
Thank you.
So today's topic was generally based on plate tectonics. This is the interesting topic in geography, which I hope you will like learning about plate boundaries and the plate margins.